Today we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 11. It's December 3rd, 2020, and we are unboxing these two phones from Apple. The 12 Pro Max is supposed to be a really cool phone, most capable iPhone that Apple makes, and 11 is also a pretty decent phone. The really nice thing about 12 Pro Max is that it has like 4 cameras, actually 3 cameras and a LiDAR scanner, and the 11 has just 2 cameras, but it's still a really good phone. So let's get right to it. It's a standard unpacking. It's pretty easy to unpack. There you go. That's the plastic's off now. And here we go. That's a beautiful iPhone right there. And it comes with the phone, as you can see. Does have a bunch of Apple product red information in here. There's the charging cube. And it does come with iPhone like earphones, which is pretty cool. And it does have a cable for charging as well. So comes with a lot of good stuff. You don't really have to buy anything. The iPhone 12 Pro Max, it's a different story altogether. Let's see if we can fire this phone up and see if it powers up. Interesting. Doesn't look like it has any charge, so we'll have to charge it up. One thing about the new phones this year in 2020 is that they don't come with a charging block. Or they don't come with earphones. So it's kind of disappointing that Apple decided to do it that, but you know, they talk about a lot of, they did talk a lot about like, you know, saving carbon footprint and all that, you know, trying to be safe and green for the planet, but really it's a cost to the customer. So I don't really think that they're helping in any way. So, wow, that's a beautiful looking phone. What do you think? What do you think, Sai?
Looks good.
I have these squarish like bezel as compared to the iPhone 12 or iPhone 11. It does have like slightly rounded bezels.
Yeah, it's more
And the bezels on this thing are all like aluminum. The back is aluminum. It
Yeah,
does
there's
have
more
a
of a
glass. Yeah, it does have a glass back to it on top of, you know, the aluminum. It is a product red. So, and this is the 12 Pro Max, as you can see. So there you go. That's pretty sweet. So let's see if we can power this phone up. Oh, this one powers up, so that's good. And like I said, it doesn't come with a charging brick. It doesn't come with earphones. It's pretty sad, you know. So that's okay. I'm gonna put everything back in here and save the box. There you go. It says Hola. It's in English, United States.